Hey guys, it's your girl Itohan and welcome to the channel once again. And guys, in today's video we have a wig review from West Kiss Hair. And guys, this is the box. So pretty, very pink. I love it. So guys, upon opening the box we can see the wig. It's a ready to go wig, guys. We all know we don't want stress this year. These are the kind of wigs I love now. And upon opening the box, guys, for the accessories we have this beautiful bonnet. I love this bonnet, guys. It's very containing and thoughtful. And we also have lashes, guys. This lashes looks amazing. We also have this edge brush for your edges. We have this melting band to melt in the lace properly to your hair. We have this HD wig cap that I love, and also this satin bag where you can use to store your wig when not in use. Okay, so guys, this is the wig. It is HD lace, okay, and I picked a small size and it came in 20 inches. Okay, so guys, you can see this wig. It is already plucked, already bleached, already styled. Like, you don't need to do anything to this hair. Just receive your package, put it up from the box and wear it. Okay, so it's ready to go. You can see the lace, it blends very well with my skin. So guys, upon the construction of this wig came with a 7x4 lace closure. So it is very nice. It has way room for you. It came with an adjustable strap and 3 combs. Okay, so guys, it's time for us to install this hair. I put in my wig cap and just brushed back all my edges. And after doing that, guys, I'm just going to wear this wig. Guys, this wig feels so snug on my head. And as I said earlier, guys, this wig is glueless. You don't need to apply any glue whatsoever. Okay, and guys, this is how wide the lace is. It is a 4x7 closure. You have way room. If you're like me that don't really like frontals but you still want that frontal look, this is the wig for you. Okay, so I'm just grabbing my mousse so I can just use that to melt the lace further into my skin, because we have a bit of white cast. Okay, so I'm just going to do this all around the edges of this wig, and then I'm just going to wear this melting band to just press that lace into my skin. Okay, so guys, now I'm just going to grab this serum to just apply it on the wig and just fluff out the coils. And guys, this hair shocked me so much. I brushed out the coils, and guys, this hair is, I'm not going to lie, it is one of the most voluminous wig I have ever tried in my life. This wig is so voluminous, and there is so much hair on this wig. I am shocked, guys. So I'm just going to apply this wax on the top of the head to just tame away all those flyaways, and then I'm just going to use this hot comb to just press down the hair a bit and just style it, because yeah, I love it when I hot comb the top of the wig. It just gives it this very slick look. Okay, so I'm just going to do this around all the perimeter of the hair, and then I'm just going to take out this melting band. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use my face powder to just define the center parting, and then I will use my contour powder to just blend the white cast we all can see. Just blend that a bit. When you use your contour powder, it conceals everything, guys. And guys, take a look at this wig. I love this wig so much. This wig is glueless. This wig is very voluminous, and I love it so much. It looks blown out. It has this this messy type of coils that I'm very enjoying. It is 4x7, and guys, this wig is just amazing and everything. I'll leave all the links to this wig, guys, in the description box. So please go purchase this wig. You will not regret this, okay? Thank you so much, West Kids Hair, for reaching out to me. And I'll see all of you guys in my next video, okay? Bye.